Guys, it's ECubing here, and today we got some cubes to unbox. So just a little announcement starting off the video today. I was away for a week, so I was not able to get out 2 videos, so I will be posting one today and one coming up this week, and then we'll be back to our regular Sunday uploads. So technically this is not an unboxing video since I already unboxed the cubes, but we're going to be reviewing the cubes. They're pretty amazing and I'm starting to use them now. They're my first speed cubes. This is my first one. It's my 3x3 speed cube. I can't read that, so I don't know what company it is, but they're pretty cool. I got this for my birthday and I'm pretty happy with it. You could just pop off the caps. Let's give it a little pop. A little tough to get to. There we go. And you can screw them in, make them tighter. Now I've dropped the cap piece. Oh, here it is. Okay. Anyway, put that back in. So, it's pretty fast. I made it just the way I like it. It's got good corner cutting. It's pretty nice. And you can kind of see the core. It's pretty interesting. I like it. I'm definitely getting faster times. Like you see, I'm 46 seconds. That was just a practice one. My best was 30.7, which is it's pretty good for me. And then we also have the 5x5. Now my next video is actually how to solve the 5x5. But this 5x5 is pretty awesome. You can definitely do some cool stuff. And I'll have a pattern video for the 5x5 coming out shortly. It's definitely an awesome cube. Same makers as the 3x3. And in my opinion, it's really good. I mean, you see the core right there a little bit. It's stickerless, so all it's got looks pretty cool. You can do some different designs with it, like this and that. I have a feeling it's pretty awesome. So we are actually going to be doing a 3x3 solve on this and seeing how fast we get, and then we will do a 5x5 solve. So let's do 3x3 mix up. So it's R prime F B2 L2 D2 R prime U2 B2 L prime D2 L U2 L2 and then B prime U prime L prime D prime L2 U2 F2 and R. So this is a scramble. I mean, I can definitely recognize I'll be solving on white since that's the easiest for me. And I can already see that if we bring this piece up and this piece down and over, it'll line up these two. And then all we have to do is bring this over and that back like that. So it was like this. Okay, cool. Pretty much like that. So if we do this, we'll start the timer in a second. And now we bring this up over like that. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna work on the F2L. And I see this pair. And then bring it to the right corner. Where is that piece? Oh my gosh. I can't believe I lost it. Okay, there we go. This is definitely not going to be my fastest solve. Because I'm getting caught up for some reason. But it'll definitely be a 40 something solve. There we go, 48, my word, with that mistake at the end too. But I'm still getting sub 50 times, doing pretty well, and awesome. Okay, we're now going to be doing our 5x5 solve. This is the scramble right here. It is huge, so I will get back to you when it's done. Okay, so that is the scramble right here. Yeah, it gave me some lines over here, which is weird, but whatever. Looks pretty cool. So let's begin the solve. Right. We'll start the timer. Then we will get to work. Okay. Here we go. I'm still working on 5x5. So I'm not that fast. But I'm still fast enough to do pretty well. Okay, white center solved. Now we will work on the yellow side. Oh, that's, my gosh. Okay, that's okay. Okay, now we will work on the orange side. Seems okay. Okay, now we'll put this. So much commentary I can do on this, really, besides just solve it. Because it's a big cube, so if I commentate everything, I mean, I guess I could. So what I'm doing is at first doing the centers, and then working on the edge pairs, and then we will be working on solving like a 3x3. So we only have 2 centers left. I see an easy fix. I don't know why I did it that way, but that's fine. Awesome. Now we'll be looking for the edge pairs. So, oh shoot, this is the hardest part. I think it takes me the most time to do it this way. There we go. I found it finally. So we need to flip this side like that. Put in the edge pair. Awesome. And if you're watching this right now and you don't know how to solve 5x5 and you're just getting lost with me, sorry for that one. But I'm just trying to do it as fast as I can. Just for time's sake, 1 for the video, and 2, because I just want to finish it. So now we are looking for either orange yellow or red white. There's red white. Oh, awesome. I got a edge pair in. Oh, okay, cool. I see something. If I do a middle slice move, then move it that way. Awesome. That's good. Now we get either blue, white, or orange yellow. Still. There's orange yellow. Okay, now I need green, yellow, or blue, white. So I'm always looking for 2 colors, just in case. Okay. Now the next move would be flipping this edge piece, installing this in. There's no really easy way to do this. Besides, I could do that. Yeah. I could do that. Okay, that's cool. Now there's one parity. Luckily I already have all the algorithms memorized, so it's pretty awesome. Okay, now I can get the orange, green, and it's okay messing up one of the sides, because I know I'll fix it later using the last 2 edges. Okay, so there's only these 2 colors left. So if I flip this edge and then work on it. Oh my gosh. Cool. Now I did, yeah, I have the parody. Awesome. Now I just saw like a 3x3. So, install the corners in places. And now put the edges in. Now we work on the F2L. There it is. I'd be ultra careful with this one because I could have a center pop or an edge pop. Should not be good. And I still like to have the cube loose enough where I won't get pops too often, but I want to have it tight enough where I'll still be getting fast solves. Oh, I really want a PB. Oh, I thought I got it right there. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. We got a PB. 617. My word. And you saw up there. Personal best. There we go. That was awesome. So, there's my 3x3 and 5x5. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.